Come feed my chickens with me. Cat. Get some food. Okay. Hey. No. He's not starving, by the way. He's like fatter than anything. Hey. Come here. This is supposed to be ASMR. Wait, come here. Chugga, 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 chugga. Look, look. There you go. Now I'm gonna grab the chicken scraps, which are really gross. Chicken ASMR. Good morning, ladies. This is a little makeshift latch. Let me know how to make a tutorial because it works in most gates. Basically, this is like a nail. Like there, the camera. Focus on the. No, focus on the nail. Anyway, that is twine that goes over the nail, and then twine goes through the hole, like the knitting, and then you can just like. Oh, hang on, chickens! Holy mackerels! I'm coming! Come on! Oh, hang on! Hang on! Hang on! Remember our manners! I'm gonna step on you. Don't judge the crocs, by the way, guys. Wonderful! They'll literally think they're starving. They're not. By the way, they get scared. Oh. I don't know what that was. Excuse me, ladies. I didn't give permission for you to be out. Oi! Ah! Get back in here. Come on. Ooh. Look more. Here we go. Chicken count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one? Chicken. 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 Oh, chicken. Yeah, chicken. Found the chicken. Come here. Come on, chicken. Come on. Or not. Come on. They're so weird. Hang on a sec. So I can't film and carry chicken. There we go. 6 happy chickens. Waters are all good. The feeder. Okay, all good. I can go. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Bye.